Guys, this is the perfect day for swimming in Germany. Look at this weather. Perfect for swimming. Guys, it's very important, even though that it rains here in Germany, am I taking a little bath so I don't have to shower. It's important that you connect with nature, that you align with nature, because we all come from nature, and in nature you will find your purpose and you will find your health. So I have to say, I even like it more when it rains to take a bath like in this river here. Very clean river, and it's healthy to do. So it relaxes you. The surrounding is forest. It lowers your cortisol. Like 20 minutes, your cortisol will be down at least at 30%. And after a cold bath, you will have like a little bit more adrenaline. You will release dopamine as well for like 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours after your bath. And as you can see, here's no one else because it's raining, and they don't go when it's raining. So most of the people only go if it's nice weather. And I'm never sick. I never get sick, or very rarely. It's very rare that I get sick, like get a cold or something, because I sleep well, at least 7 to 8 hours a night. I eat well. I train a little bit, not too much, because too much training is stress for the body too and for the mind. So not too much. 3-4 times a week, it's totally enough. And I go nature. And going to nature is so important, like for your health, as I told you. And it's important for your mental health as well. When you have a day off from work, just go alone into the woods. Go to a lake, river, wherever you live. And just be in nature. It's healing. It will heal you, mentally and physically, if you let it. And have a little beer here and there. It's awesome. Because you have to enjoy life as well. You don't have to be super clean. Can drink a few beers, won't hurt you. Or smoke a cigarette here and there. But I wouldn't recommend smoking cigarettes at all, but I do it like once in a month or 2 times at a month max. So, I mean, just look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful, right? So guys, if you like these topics, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video with someone who is unhealthy. Write down your opinion in the comment, you live healthy or not. And if you like to support me, there's a link in the video description. You don't have to, but I would love to pay some bills from YouTube someday. So thank you for watching.